Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover this possible airdrop. This is Allbridge Core, the third project of this company, and this is a potential airdrop that is really under the radar. And like always, we are going to cover a little bit about the project and what I really like about this opportunity for this possible airdrop, and all the steps that you need to do in order to participate of this airdrop. And of course, covering everything step by step, like always in my videos. And there are some really good news on this project, and they also have a token, so we could get some airdrop for this. Like always, you have my subscriptions if you want to get into my Discord, or if you want to get my application to register airdrops and manage your airdrops. You can check the video on how my app works. So go to the webpage cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions and check my Discord and application. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, Allbridge Core. Allbridge Core is a cross-chain swap platform that allows you to exchange dollar-pegged tokens, also known as stablecoins, but the main advantage is that it reduces perhaps the largest gap in the DeFi sector, the gap between ABM and non-ABM networks. The protocol already supports Solana, Ethereum, Tron and BNB chain, with more networks on the horizon. This is very important, and actually there are not many bridges supporting all these cross chains. In this case, only support stablecoins, many of them, so you cannot transfer any token, only stablecoins, but they are really adding change into the supported area, so that is very interesting. Also, Allbridge Core is the third product of Allbridge. This is not the first project, and they have been here from 2021, and the team may launch a token for Allbridge Core like they already did for Allbridge Classic, which is one of those three products. And don't forget that Allbridge team is a big team with almost 7 million in TVL on Allbridge Classic, and they also raised 2 million for this project. So there are many good things about the ecosystem of Allbridge. And you can see all the documents that they have in the Medium page. They have been launching stuff since 2021. You can go to the webpage allbridge.io, and here in products, you click here, you can see that they have Allbridge Classic, BOs and Core. So right now we are focusing on Core, but if you go to the allbridge.io Classic and you scroll down, you can see information about this already project and the tokenomics. You can see that they have 100 million supply of ABR. The market cap is only 1 million, really small, and the price is 20 cents. And this is already linked here on CoinGecko, so it's launched. It's a position 1900. The token is suffering like really big, but you can see that in a launch they were around $9 here. It was $9.40. Right now it's at 19 cents, so I would not recommend to buy this token right now. But if we get a possible airdrop similar to this project, similar to this coin, and we start with a $6, $7 or even $9 for each token on an airdrop with this max supply, this could be really awesome, guys. Many green flags for this. The project, the company are solid. This is the third product that they launch. They have presence, they have a good product. And also, if you go to the Twitter page, you can see that they have 28k followers in Twitter. So this is a more small, medium company. But if you go to the Discord, you will see that they only have 3,000 followers on the Discord. Very small community, and in the step by step you are going to see something awesome about this, and why I really think that this is a very big airdrop opportunity, and for sure I am going to do it with multiple wallets. So stay with me on the step by step. Remember that you have the subscription page on my website cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. We are killing it in the Discord. We have 100 members already We are constantly putting amazing information. Many people knows like a lot of the ecosystem, posting new airdrops that you are not going to see in my different social media or even here in YouTube. So in the Discord there are many special content, and we also cover airdrop distributions there. So we are up to date with all the distributions of my videos or another airdrops too. So many things are happening in my Discord, super proud of all the people there. And many of them are using my application. I would say that 70% of them are having the subscription that includes my application, and they are really happy with that. I am actually working on updates, so I am continue going to improve this application. And for the month of February, I will keep the same prices on my subscriptions, are really cheap, but in March I'm going to increase the prices. So take the advantage on February, it's really cheap, and in March the prices are going to rise a lot. So guys, yeah, it's really cheap because I launched it on January, and in January I have more than 100 registrations on my subscriptions. So go ahead. The cheapest subscription on Discord costs less than a fee on Ethereum mainnet, so it's only $5, so it's really cheap. Going to the step-by-step of Allbridge, of course, like always guys, follow the Twitter account, follow the Discord account. You are going to need that for this airdrop, so you have here the links for both things. The third step is use the bridge app between blockchains and transferring stablecoins. And my recommendation, you can do whatever you want of course, but what I'm going to do is I will try to do one swap each 2 or 3 days during February, and then once per week until I have news about the airdrop or not. And use volume. If you can afford about 100 per bridge, that would be awesome, because sometimes you get out of the airdrops because you use it only $2 or $3 for bridges. But if you use about $50 or $100, in this case is stable coins, and you only pay the fees, which are really low here, you actually are really not investing too much. There's only fees. You are not losing your money. Your money is continue going to be in your wallet. So go to the link core.allbridge.io, or from the homepage of Core you go to launch app. Once you are here, you can connect your wallet, and like in any other bridge, you will select your source bridge. Here you can put different wallets from where you want to send to what wallet you want to send. Doesn't need to be the same wallet. You can send it to another people or another wallet, and you can see that you have BNB chain, Ethereum mainnet, Polygon, Solana and Tron here to select, and you have these stable coins. So you can really do a lot of swaps here and bridging between these chains. Really cool. Here you put the destination and you send it. Really cool and really easy to do. The step 4 is enter into a liquidity pool. So I really think that if they launch it an airdrop, you need to have been putting in the liquidity pool. They mention in many of the documents on Medium about the proud that they are about the liquidity pools. So go here into liquidity and enter some money into some of the liquidity pools that you can. There are different liquidity pools according to the different networks. So try to enter maybe Ethereum and Binance, maybe in 1 or 2. And leave the money there. You will need to leave it in order to provide liquidity. You will earn some APRs here, but I will leave it until we get news about the possible airdrop. So enter into the liquidity pool is the point 4. The point 5 is there are an NFT that you can get. It's a Tron NFT. So you can go here to the link on the campaign. And in order to get this, you need to follow Twitter and you need to accomplish this campaign Tron Enthusiast. In this case, basically you need to use 250 in volume to get it. So try to do that. I think these NFTs are going to be valuable for the airdrop. Then the step 6, we also have some campaign to get a Polygon NFT. So the Polygon NFT here is the same. You need to be following the Twitter, and you need to swap stablecoins between Polygon and another chain to get a chance to claim your Polygon Explorer NFT, and you need to swap at least 250 in volume here. One thing that I like, guys, and you can see it here, is that this is from the 29th of January until the 25th of February, so it's less than 1 month. And you can see that there are only 67 participants on this one. And in the one of Tron, you can see that this is from the 17th of January. So already passed like 2 weeks or more. And there is only 148 participants. And this will end the 10th of February. So we only have 10 more days for this NFT, which is probably very important for an airdrop. And guys, there are only 148. That told you how small is the community of this project. And in terms of airdrop, that is what you want to have, guys. Small community, a very under the radar project with good potential, with an airdrop already, with 3 products already launched, so very solid. They have money. It's not like a crazy amount of money for what I found, but if they do an airdrop, we could be really winners on this airdrop. I really think so. So I really think that this is one of those that you could use multiple wallets and get a couple of thousands of dollars in airdrops. Very little amount of people participating on this, very under the radar. I didn't saw many people doing and talking about this possible airdrop, and we already have a token of the other product for Allbridge Classic, so I think this is a great opportunity. After you get the 2 NFTs, you need to complete the crew 3 task, so you can go here to my link and complete the crew 3 task. There are not many, guys. They are very easy to do, like retweet, all that kind of stuff. You need to get some of the swaps, get the 2 NFTs that I already mentioned, do some daily swaps, do some daily stablecoin enthusiasts to get some transactions done here, be a liquidity provider. So all things that I already mentioned, a couple of invites here, maybe create some content, but that is not really mandatory. Very basic stuff here to do, and if you are going to use the app, you can get here and do it exactly that they ask there. So very easy to do, guys. And finally, you need to complete the guild task and get the roles. So like Arbitrum and many other, we have a guild for Allbridge Core. So there are 7 roles that you can get here. Also, it's not difficult to do. The first 2 actually is follow Twitter and Discord, so really easy. Connect your wallet, click here to join the guild to get the roles. Once you get the roles, you are going to go here to this button and go to the Discord and reclaim your roles. Guys, I really think that you can do this with multiple wallets. I really think that there has a lot of possibilities to get a big airdrop for this. Nothing is confirmed, but the community is really small. So we may get a very big amount of tokens from this. And if the NFTs are really necessary for this, you can see that they are finishing the 25th of February and the other is the 10th of February. So hurry up, take these NFTs and then complete the crew 3 and the guild task and use the application as it was claimed there, and you are done. That will be all, guys. Allbridge Core, I think this is a great opportunity. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Remember to get and check my subscriptions, my Discord and my application. And guys, Allbridge Core could be one of those under the radar airdrops that I really like. When I get one of these, and I remember some really under the radar projects that I get a lot of airdrop distribution after, and I am feeling that maybe this is one of those cases. So keep it quiet. I am doing the video anyways for you guys, for my followers. Keep it quiet and enter into Allbridge Core, my recommendation. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.